So Dad's gonna release the praying mantis. Apparently he was stuck.
Okay, so we need something to get him out.
He's stuck.
He's moving, but...
Oh, sad. I didn't know he was stuck. Hi, little guy. He was stuck in our garage. How sad. Well, I didn't know he was stuck.
Get him.
He's probably injured now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's up. Oh. Ouch.
Okay, he's mobile.
He's not moving though.
No, he's moving.
Oh, he's looking at us.
Oh, yeah, he's damaged.
Oh, how sad. Now I feel really bad because he's been there for hours. Hi, little guy. Sorry. I thought you were just, I thought you were just hanging out in the garage. Oh my gosh. Poor thing.
So he was on the door and he moved when you opened and closed it. And that's how he got wedged.
Hello. Wow, look at him. Look at that. He's gorgeous.
Actually, I think it's a she.
Yeah, I think it's a she, huh?
Males are little.
Well, are we going to put her somewhere? Oh, sad. Now I feel really bad. She's been stuck there for hours.
Yeah, no mate to eat.
You want a mate?
Yeah, to eat.
You want a mate? I'm telling her she wants a mate. She's not responding. Well, she knows that. Oh, poor thing. I think she's...
Ooh.
Poor thing. Ooh, maybe she's going to have babies soon. Her belly's pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah, she can't move. Oh. She doesn't really want you to touch her. Ooh.
Let's go somewhere safe, okay?
That's sad.
There we go.
Come on. Yeah, because you know what? If we leave her out here, a bird's going to come and get her. Oh, honey, you keep dropping her. Put her all the way in the...
Oh, yeah, there we go.
There you go. That's better. Where are you going to put her on the... I think maybe because I feel so bad that I left her. Oh, look at this little guy here.
Yeah.
Wow. That's impressive. Where'd you put her? Probably not. So we put her over here in the poppies. But we don't know. I think she's... What do they call it? Antlers are crushed? How sad.
Wow.
I think she's waiting for us.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
I think she's waiting for us
She
to
don't
go.
like us.
Well, no.
She has a good reason for it.
So we're going to leave her here among the wild poppies. But it's not my fault I crushed it. She's probably after a mate or something. Come on. You want us to go, huh? Okay, we'll go.